Crash course on Netherlands. Local cuisine and food culture. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we dive into the traditional dishes, food markets, and unique culinary experiences of the Netherlands. Along with exciting stories and examples, we'll explore the top 12 attractions that showcase the country's rich food culture. So, let's embark on a delicious journey through the Netherlands. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Dutch cheese. The Netherlands is famous for its cheese, particularly Gouda and Edam. The tradition of cheesemaking dates back centuries, and today, you can visit cheese markets like Alkmaar's Kaasmarkt to witness the time-honored rituals and taste a variety of delicious cheeses. 2. Haring. Raw herring, known as Haring, is a popular street food in the Netherlands. It is typically served with chopped onions and eaten by holding the fish by its tail and taking a bite. It may sound unusual, but it's an experience not to be missed. 3. Stroopwafels. Stroopwafels are thin, caramel-filled waffle cookies that are a sweet delight. These treats originated in the city of Gouda and are now beloved throughout the country. Enjoy them fresh from street vendors or buy them from local markets. Top 12 attractions of local cuisine and food culture. 1. Foodalen, Amsterdam. Explore the vibrant Foodalen in Amsterdam, a popular indoor food market offering a wide range of international and Dutch cuisine. Sample local delicacies like bitterballen, deep-fried meatballs, and poffertjes, mini Dutch pancakes. 2. Albert Kuit Market, Amsterdam. Stroll through the bustling Albert Kuit Market, one of the largest street markets in Europe. Indulge in Dutch street food, buy fresh produce, and browse a variety of food stalls offering international flavors. 3. Marktthal, Rotterdam. Visit the iconic Marktthal in Rotterdam, a visually stunning market hall that combines food stalls, restaurants, and residential units. Taste local specialties, shop for fresh ingredients, and marvel at the colorful murals on the ceiling. 4. Herring stalls, Scheveningen. Head to Scheveningen, a coastal town near The Hague, and savor freshly caught herring from one of the traditional herring stalls. Experience the Dutch herring culture and enjoy this unique street food. 5. Bitterballen. Try the classic Dutch snack, bitterballen, which are deep-fried balls filled with a savory mixture of beef ragu. You can find them in bars and restaurants throughout the country, and they're perfect for pairing with a local beer. 6. Pancake houses. Delight in Dutch pancakes at one of the many pancake houses across the Netherlands. These thin, large pancakes can be topped with a variety of sweet or savory ingredients, satisfying every craving. 7. Dutch bakery. Explore the charm of Dutch bakeries, where you can indulge in freshly baked bread, pastries, and sweets. From the iconic Dutch apple pie to stroopwafels and speculaas cookies, there's a treat for every palate. 8. Jenever tasting. Experience the Dutch spirit by sampling Jenever, a traditional juniper-flavored liquor. Visit a Jenever distillery in cities like Schiedam or Amsterdam to learn about its production and savor different varieties. 9. Dutch beer culture. Immerse yourself in the Dutch beer culture by visiting local breweries and bars. Enjoy a variety of craft beers and learn about the country's brewing traditions, including Belgian-influenced styles like Trappist and Abbey beers. 10. Cheese museums and farms. Discover the secrets of Dutch cheese making by visiting cheese museums and farms. Experience the cheese-making process, taste different varieties, and learn about the country's cheese heritage. 11. Dutch seafood. Indulge in fresh seafood from the North Sea, such as mussels, shrimp, and oysters. Coastal towns like Joseke and Zeeland are known for their seafood markets and excellent seafood restaurants. 12. Indonesian cuisine. Explore the Indonesian influence on Dutch cuisine by trying traditional Indonesian dishes such as rijtafel, rice table, a feast of various small dishes, and satay. Amsterdam's Chinatown is a great place to savor Indonesian flavors. Summarizing this writing, the Netherlands offers a culinary adventure with its diverse and delicious food culture. From lively food markets to iconic street foods like herring and stroopwafels, there's something to satisfy every palate. By visiting the top attractions, indulging in local specialties, and immersing yourself in the Dutch food scene, you'll discover the country's rich culinary heritage. Now, let's end this crash course on the Netherlands with a poem. In the Netherlands, a feast awaits. Traditional dishes on every plate. Foodalen's buzz, flavors galore. Albert Kuit Market, a foodie's score. Markthal's Grandeur, a culinary site. Haring stalls in Scheveningen, a seaside delight. Bitterballen and pancakes, savory and sweet. Dutch bakeries, a treat to eat. Geneva's juniper kiss, a drink to savor. Dutch beer culture, flavors to favor. Cheese museums and farms, a cheese lover's dream. Dutch seafood, fresh from the sea's gleam. Indonesian spices, Rijtafel's array. The Netherlands food culture on display. With every bite, traditions unfold. The Dutch culinary story, centuries old. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.